Hey everybody, so today, if we look in Monday's folder, should be a pretty easy day for you. We have the what is a computer quiz, so this was based off of information that we looked at last week. So if you want to use OpenNote or whatever for this, that's fine. You can look up the answers if you want to. Most of the things that they're asking about on here, you should have seen, or we did see in a lot of the videos and activity guides that we filled out already. So when you click on that, it should look something like this. So you're going to just start the quiz and you got to go through and answer the questions. There's a couple of open-ended ones, so make sure you answer those, and I'll try to get those graded a little bit quicker than some of the other assignments. So I'll probably be taking a look at those tomorrow. And that way you'll be able to see what your grade is. The other thing that we want to take a look at for today is this discussion board that says opening activity. So we're going to start looking at the credibility of sources this week. This is probably one of my more favorite units that we do. So basically you're going to be analyzing these websites and then just saying, like, which one do you think is the best source between the two and why you would say that. So we'll be exploring what to look for a little bit more as we move through this unit. But this is just kind of like an introductory activity. So besides the quiz today, just answer this question and you should be good. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.